Medair, a well-known international relief agency.
Our aim is to relieve human suffering in hard-to-reach places. When COVID-19 pandemic hit the whole globe, Medair's ways to assess international candidates for deployment were disrupted.
As part of their onboarding process for staff, they have a hazardous environment awareness training component, which includes putting people into simulated stressful environments for a couple of days and seeing how they would do.
But this was not possible in a virtual world.
And so they came to us curious, was there something that could be done with running the courses online instead? We thought, well, wonder whether we could embed people in a virtual online game and see how they do. That didn't really seem to resonate.
And Tribe came with a solution, and the solution was the Hogan Assessment.
There's a subcomponent of Hogan, which is called their safety assessment, which is used extensively in the aeronautics industry, in NASA. In other words, where human behaviour carries either a degree of risk or high risk, and their reactions really matter in those situations. We set the parameters of that particular assessment in such a way that would help us predict whether or not people would do well in these environments, be at risk in those environments, and possibly be an absolute no for any sort of risky environment at all.
When a candidate did the Hogan Assessment, they had a discussion with the tribe, and then there was the report was produced.
We found that we were able to make suggestions as to whether people were okay to deploy to somewhere like Yemen, or whether they were okay to go on the field, but you'd want to keep them maybe one or two steps back.
We found the great value in the Hogan Assessment.
It means that we can see people literally around the world.
It was not only benefit for the recruitment, but it was also benefit for the individuals.
So this gives us huge flexibility.